How to make WhatsApp poll vote. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make WhatsApp poll vote. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First step is open up your WhatsApp. So open up your WhatsApp, and after you open your WhatsApp, you'll see the plus icon on the bottom left. Tap on plus, and right there you should find the poll option. Tap on poll, and right there you will need to ask a question about poll. So right here, just ask a question, and after you ask the question, simply add options. So I'll just add these options right here, and the more options you add, the more options you get more to add. So you can keep on adding, but there is a limit on how many you can add. So let's find out how much limit you have. So you can keep on doing this. So let me do this right here again and again and again. So as you can see, there is no visible limit, but you can add a lot. So after you do this, you can simply tap on send, and this will have created the poll. And that is how you can make WhatsApp poll vote, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.